We all know that you can't just force someone to fall in love with you, no matter how badly you want it to happen. But it is possible to encourage them to fall in love with you by doing all you can to increase your chances. There might be just a few tricks to accomplish this goal. So my name is Dari, and today I'm going to be telling you 5 psychological tricks to get someone to like you. Number 1, wear red. Getting someone to be attracted to you can be as easy as just putting your clothes on in the morning. Researchers have discovered that red is an extremely attractive color, and people are more likely to be interested in those who wear red. Red is also associated with energy and action. Number 2, say their name. Say my name, say my name. Repeating someone's name is not only a good way to remember it, but also a good way to foster attraction in other people. It makes them feel like you have a personal connection with them. Number 3, mirroring. If you mirror someone you'd like to attract, it can make them feel like you're on the same page. If they check their watch, you check yours. If they scratch their leg, you scratch your leg. You'd be amazed at these effects. Number 4, be empathetic. If you're trying to attract someone to yourself, you may want to put yourself in their shoes. Being empathetic towards someone helps you understand their needs. You can then surprise them by reading their minds. And number 5, play hard to get. Playing hard to get is real art, but when someone pulls it off correctly, it can really draw someone in. But you don't want to push them away too much or they might get turned off. Instead, you might just want to challenge them. Make them feel like they don't have much of a chance and they'll fight to prove you wrong. And that's all the tricks we got for today's video. Don't forget to check out the full article in the description below with all 10 tricks. Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!